Thank you for joining us today. We're going to wait a minute for a couple stragglers, and then we'll get started. Hello, everyone, and welcome to today's session. We're going to be talking about the new Royal Cyber SnapStart offering, which allows you to launch a Salesforce B2C commerce storefront in as fast as 4 weeks. A recorded version of this webinar, as well as the presentation deck, will be available on the Royal Cyber website, and a direct link will be provided to you by email. With us today to talk about our exciting offering are Lala Asif Alana, the head of the Royal Cyber Salesforce practice. Asif has been with Royal Cyber for over 14 years and has spearheaded work across many different commerce platforms. Myself, Anthony Young, I run the Royal Cyber Commerce Partnerships and Alliances and have been in the commerce space for over a dozen years. Sean Sakira, a Royal Cyber consultant who has 10 years of experience with Salesforce Commerce and 20 years, all told, in the commerce space, helping customers find the right commerce platform to fit their needs. Finally, we have Eden Dvora, from Salesforce, who brings over 20 years experience in consultative selling to both B2B and B2C companies. Let's quickly go over our agenda before we dive right in. We're going to start by telling you a little bit about Royal Cyber as a company. Then we'll get into both showing you and telling you about our new SnapStart offering. Following that, we'll talk about some of the exciting add-on capabilities that we can bring to the table to create better commerce experiences. Then we'll talk about how Salesforce prices B2C commerce. We'll wrap this up with a question and answer period. We would love to hear from you, so please don't hesitate to put your questions in the chat, and we'll be sure to get back to them then. And now, without any further delay, let's turn to Sean.
And thank you, Anthony, for that great introduction. And thank you all for joining us this afternoon on our webinar. My name is Sean Sakira. I'm an e-commerce consultant here at Royal Cyber. And I'd love to walk through who Royal Cyber is, as well as their SnapStart package, which you're all here for today. So Royal Cyber, we've been around since 2002 and since evolved to be a global leader in digital transformation. We have a team of 1,000 skilled resources globally distributed through various delivery centers here in North America and Asia. We have a unique ability to deliver local presence for account support, architecture, as well as digital marketing solutions, and have global delivery centers to offer cost-effective builds for all your platform needs. We employ a team of certified resources that are continuously going through training and offer end-to-end service resources in each of our delivery centers, both onshore and offshore, with the ability to offer hybrid models to support whatever project or scale that you're working on. As an organization, we've been recognized as an industry leader in not only delivering quality builds, but the ability to work with our partners' technology to deliver leading edge innovation, as well as being an organization that breeds and grooms and trains the best of breed resources. We offer a comprehensive suite of digital transformation services, from artificial intelligence and machine learning to DevOps and middleware. We offer many enterprise IT services. But we've also had a growing e-commerce practice, one that we've been working on for 20 years. We build modern, complex commerce solutions that offer better personalized experiences to sell more to your customers and keep them coming back for more. We've been servicing Fortune 500 clients for the last 20 years in both onshore and offshore delivery models, and worked on small projects to large products, builds to maintenance and support. We have a large commitment to Salesforce Commerce Cloud in terms of development, training, but also developing our own internal projects. We've developed several products and features that are exclusive to Royal Cyber. We'll talk about those later this afternoon, as well as our own custom accelerator package, which we're here to talk about. One unique thing with our customers is that our clients are happy with the services that we offer. We have over a 95% retention rate. And that's because we offer end-to-end technology services. We're not an organization that's typically here just for the build and off to the next. We're with you for the whole journey. So from a technical assessment to discovery and requirements, our team collaborates with our clients from the very get-go. We have complete implementation services that are built by internal team members on our own bench. We don't use contract resources to build these solutions that have extensive experience in integration and extending platforms to get the most out of your current investments. So things like order management, warehouse management that you may already have, we'll tie into those systems. We'll also work with you to tie into payment gateways, third-party solutions for fraud, ratings and reviews, video, all that sort of stuff. And as I mentioned before, after the project, we have a seamless transition to managed services and maintenance and support. So one, your organization doesn't have to go out and buy full-time resource teams to support your commerce investment. And two, we have the ability to maintain and support that solution in hours where your team's not working, with the ability to provide insights and input to continuously improve your platform. We've been doing this with major players across the globe, from retail brands like Abercrombie & Fitch, L'Oreal, Sally Beauty, to manufacturers such as Toyota and Ford. We're big in the financial services, entertainment, but also do a lot in the B2B space. Some of our recent projects include Foot Locker's B2C site in the Americas, Abercrombie & Fitch's global relaunch of their commerce solution, and most recently, enhancing Brambleberry's Salesforce Commerce Cloud offering. Here at Royal Cyber, we love Salesforce Commerce Cloud. If any of you have taken a look at some of the latest industry reviews of commerce platforms, you may have noticed in the B2C section, Salesforce Commerce Cloud leads the pack. Our Commerce Cloud practice aligns very much so to Salesforce's modern experiences that you may have seen already out there. We have a big focus around delivering personalized, customer-centric commerce solutions. We have a large investment in other Salesforce clouds, such as Salesforce Marketing Cloud and Service Cloud, which you now see more and more bundled with Salesforce Commerce Cloud offerings. And it's so that we can deliver leading-edge B2C experiences that provide those dynamic, personalized experiences that interact with customers on various touch points, not only just on your website, but in social web channels, as well as in-store experiences. We're seeing more and more of our customers ask us to deliver stores of the future, interactive stores, kiosks, a major growing segment within our customer base and prospects are being able to equip in-store associates with commerce functionality in their clienteling devices to deliver solutions such as product information, knowledge bases, and even endless aisle shopping experiences. As an organization tied to the hip with Salesforce, we've been very laser focused on what the B2C offering is for Commerce Cloud. Traditionally, Salesforce Commerce Cloud B2C has been big with direct-to-consumer brands, retailers, fashion apparel, and luxury, health and beauty, and sporting goods. But with the new models that Salesforce is offering to the customers, moving to these platforms, we found innovative ways to work with electronics businesses, automotive, other manufacturers, and even subscription-based businesses. Our team here at Royal Cyber is very diverse. We have what you typically expect from a system integrator, developers, solution architects, and so forth, but we've cross-trained many of our other solution practice teams, such as the business analyst team, user experience, user interface designers, and so forth, so that they understand these platforms, they understand the solutions that we're building for you, and we can deliver the best of breed commerce experiences on Salesforce Commerce Cloud. And as I mentioned before, Commerce Cloud isn't just Commerce Cloud anymore. Commerce Cloud is highly integrated into many of the other clouds to deliver those unique experiences. For instance, Salesforce Marketing Cloud, Salesforce Service Cloud, Community Cloud, and beyond. Now, the challenge that we've had with all enterprise commerce in the past is that the traditional approach to delivering a solution is slow. The legwork required to define a MVP, to define the features and functionality that your business needs to launch takes time. Implementation takes time. We thought, is there a faster way to deliver this solution cost effectively so that we can get our customers up and running instantly? And after some review, we decided we can make this process a Snap. I'd like to introduce SnapStart for Commerce Cloud by Royal Cyber. This is our lightning fast, cost-effective package approach to implement Salesforce Commerce Cloud in as little as 4 weeks. With our approach, you can launch a B2C storefront in as little as 4 weeks. That gives you all the feature and functionality that you'd expect from a full version of Salesforce Commerce Cloud, because it is a full force. You'll be able to meet your shoppers online, increase brand loyalty, and have your business users take control of the entire brand experience. You'll also get the full set of tools that Commerce Cloud B2C offers, including tools to support acquisition, conversion, and supporting the customers that you sell to. We're building our solution on a full-featured version of Salesforce Commerce Cloud, but with our approach, we can go to market in weeks. The solution is completely normal and scales to support your future business growth. But in our MVP approach, you can start selling right out of the box. Our out-of-the-box solution is really based on this idea that retailers and direct-to-consumer brands have a minimum viable product of features that they require for a build. We took a look at our customers as well as industry leaders in the space and said, what would a customer need for a commerce launch? We defined those features and bundled them into 3 distinct packages for our customers that are just looking to get on Commerce Cloud and start selling today. We have a silver package that gives you the bare minimum to be up and running. We recognize that all businesses aren't equal, and some others have various requirements such as servicing their in-store retail brick and mortar solutions or customization through configurable products. With our other packages, we include features such as buy online, pick up in store, or even configuring products. So we've essentially created 3 prepackaged solutions that can be further customized for your unique business needs. But we've taken the care to make sure that this isn't a cookie cutter Shopify type solution. This is a solution that has the look and feel of your brand and services your unique business requirements. We've done so, though, in this packaged approach. Our customers see a typical savings of about 40% versus a traditional implementation. And that's 40% in time and money. We'll send these packages out to you so you can get a greater look at the features and functionality that are available in each of the packages. But as you can see, our silver package has many, many features that you don't get with an out-of-the-box solution. Things from tax integration to SEO support to automated testing. These are things that come out of the box with our silver package. If you're looking for in-store pickup, rating and reviews, we offer that in our gold package. And of course, our platinum package is further tailored to provide customized features within your business. You may be asking, what does an engagement on SnapStart look like? If we were to look at the silver package, it's very straightforward. We conduct a discovery up front to take a look at your current commerce offering if you do have it. If not, not a problem. But define what the gaps are between your existing solution, any specific business and technical requirements. That's talking about some of the back-end systems and technology that you already have in place. And then work with your team to really define what are the business requirements. We'll produce a functional specifications document that identifies what people will do on the website, all the different use cases. We'll also deliver a technical specification document, and that outlines all the different systems that we're connecting to, whether it be your warehouse management, order management, payment gateway, and we'll work with you to finalize this. We'll also work with Salesforce to ensure that this adheres to their governance standards. Our team of designers will work with you to ensure the high-level design, the UX, aligns with your business requirements. And then, of course, we'll get into implementation in an agile sprint approach. So you'll be able to take a look at how things are coming to life as we put them together. And of course, we'll work with you for testing and go live. If we were to look at this in an ideal state, we're looking at about 5 weeks, with week 1 or week 0 being the discovery. So really 4 weeks of implementation and development time, and up to a week of discussion back and forth. And as mentioned before, our organization is not an organization that builds and runs to the next project. We're an organization that partners with our customer for the entire journey. We offer a very easy to use and work with maintenance and support team. The purpose of this program is so that you, our customer, don't have to invest in an extensive, costly team to support your Commerce Cloud implementation. We offer all the resources that you need on a fractional basis to provide 24/7, 365 emergency platform support, as well as the managed services you require to keep your commerce solution lights on running. That includes maintenance, bug fix, patches and updates, and monitoring. Many of our customers also use our resources to continuously improve their solution, offer minor enhancements and integrations into new third-party solutions. We'll present this material to you at a later time, but it is a cost-effective and customer-centric approach to supporting your commerce platform. And with that said, let's get into the demo of what SnapStart looks like. Asif here will walk through SnapStart today. He'll also walk through some of our proprietary enhancements that we've built specific for Salesforce that are available to you in the SnapStart program as part of a bundle, whether it be silver, gold, or platinum, or if you're an existing Salesforce Commerce Cloud customer, we can make these solutions available to you at a la carte offering. So Asif, over to you.
Thank you, Sean, for giving a great insight on the Salesforce Commerce Cloud SnapStart packages. Guys, as every e-commerce platform offers a variety of out-of-the-box features, for a shopper, for a buyer to complete their shopping journey on the website or on the storefront. Similarly, Salesforce Commerce Cloud SFRA-based storefront, which is currently visible on my screen. SFRA is a storefront, reference architecture, which has been introduced by Salesforce. This store also comes with lots of out-of-the-box features, which provides shoppers a very guided experience in completing their shopping journey very smoothly, cleanly, and seamlessly on the website or on the storefront. I'll try to walk you through to some of the main important features of this storefront. I may not be able to cover all, but yes, I'll try to cover as much as I can. If any one of you is interested after this webinar in a kind of a comprehensive or a detailed demo, we will be actually sending out a post-webinar emails, and you can connect with us through that email, and we can book a separate, a comprehensive and a detailed demo for you. Okay, so let's start with the home page. On the home page, you see this, in the top bar and the top header, you will see these top categories appearing. You will see these top categories appearing along with their subcategories. So what you do is, when you do the data load, when you do the catalog upload in Salesforce Commerce Cloud, your top categories or your category hierarchy appears like this at the top header. And this again is completely in your hands. You can see there's a 3-level hierarchy currently defined here. And this is the way your catalog data is being formatted and uploaded. You also see the top sellers, plus you can also have any other content available in this top bar. Okay, after that you will see a hero banner, the main banner, and there are some other content slots as part of as the part of the body of this page. And I would like to mention one thing here, which is very important. It's a very important feature which is being given by Salesforce. It's called Page Designer. It's a CMS of, it's a content management system of Salesforce Commerce Cloud. And using the Page Designer tool, your merchants, your merchandisers, your marketing team, your business team can configure, can control, can have the control on all of these contents. They can create content, they can update content, they can change the layout of this page, and it's completely on the fly at the runtime, just by dragging and dropping images and playing with the content within the page designer. Now, Salesforce Commerce Cloud has its one administration console called Business Manager. Now, this is how the Business Manager looks like. Now, Business Manager is being used by people with multiple personas, like multiple roles, I would say, which includes merchandisers, administrators, developers it's being used by these roles for different purposes. So if you see on the left hand side under the content section, you would see a page designer option. Now this page designer is being more extensively used by your marketing team, by your team who actually designs the page layout of your site pages, which includes your merchandisers, your business team. So they can make use of this feature and create and update and have a control on all of these contents, and have these contents available and rendered on the fly on the storefront pages. At the bottom of the this page, in the footer section, you will see some static links, about us, terms, privacy. Plus you will also see a store locator link, which is again this store locator available out of the box by Salesforce Commerce Cloud here. And using this feature, your customers can find the nearest store. Plus there's a subscription option. You can subscribe to your this website's newsletter or this business newsletter. So this is all of a home page. Now what I'll do, I'll go and log in. On the login page also you will see some basic features, some all the out of the box features which are required for a smooth login. They are here, which includes forgot password. If you want to create an account, you are signing up for the first time, you just create your account. I've already created my account and I'm going to log in. Now here you would see there are three buttons which you can use to log in. One is a normal login button. You provide your credentials and login, and then there are two more which says login with Google and login with Facebook. So this is something again available out of the box. There are pre-built cartridges for these functionalities, which are available or which are available as part of the SFRA based storefront. When I say cartridges in Salesforce terms, it's a custom code which is already being written, and provided in the form of I would say a file, and that file is that custom code file is actually a cartridge which basically works at the back end and to provide the desired or the respective functionality of that feature. So you can make use of these functionalities which are available out of the box by using some configurations. You don't have to write lines of code. Okay, so now I'm about to log in. So once you click on login, you will be landed on a page which is which is a my account page, and this my account page also comes with some information where you can change the profile, like you can edit your profile, you can change the email address or the phone number, any updates or you want to make in your profile. You can change your password. You can add multiple addresses in your address book from here, which you can then use at the time of checkout. You can also see the order history. You can also see the past orders which you have made under this order history section. You can also see the payments which you have made. uh, So as I said, that this SFRA based storefront is actually developed on a mobile first approach now, and it's completely responsive. For example, if I resize this, this browser window, you will see the top categories have been changed in the form of this menu. So if I make it in a kind of a mobile size, you will see the design is being is being adapted based on the browser size, and it's appearing in a completely responsive manner. So this is again a very cool feature. Now let's go and look for a search. Use this search feature. Now the search is a very important and most extensively used by the customers. So let's say if I start doing a search, if I type shirts, you will see the auto suggestions appearing from the products, from the categories, and it also shows the last popular searches which are being made on this storefront. So let's say, let me hit enter, and you see how quickly the search results appearing. It is a very quick and a super fast response time, which actually your shoppers needs. I mean, they don't want to see the delay. They don't want to see any delay in the response time. So this SFRA brings this kind of experience, a rich experience for the customers, where there's no delay at all in the when it comes to loading of the pages. So on this search page, you will see on the left-hand side, there are different facets and filters appearing. So you can select any of these filters, and your search results would change based on this on your selection. So there's a category filter, there's a color filter, there's a price filter, there are new arrivals, and you can also filter these results based on the brands. So, and again, I mean, you can also create your own facets of filters and they can appear also in the same list. And you can create them using your business manager tool. Plus, on each of these products, you see certain icons. This one is a wish list icon. So, for example, if you want to have this product, you're not buying this product now, but you want to have this added in a wish list, so that in the future when you come to the store, you don't have to search for this product again. You just go in your wish list and do the add to cart from there. uh, Plus, this is a quick view. So for example, you want to do the add to cart from this quick view. It's a nice feature to have. You will click on that icon and you will see the pop-up appearing, and you can do this add to cart from here. Then you see the pricing and ratings and reviews as well. So reviews and ratings is also another third-party cartridge, which is again embedded in the SFRA based storefront. The Bazaar Voice cartridge, you just need to integrate it, and it will be readily available for your storefront to use. Okay, so from here, let's go quickly to the product page. So when I go to the product page, I see multiple features or multiple options, multiple features appearing. One is you can see the multiple images of the product. So this is another nice, cool feature. And as I said, that from the layout, from the UI UX perspective, it is completely in your hands. UI UX people can change the layout based on the brand. The way you want your brand to look at. Uh, Plus, here you would see wish list, the same which we saw on the search page. There's another feature called gift registry here. So gift registry is a feature where, for example, it's a old concept where you, let's say, if you're conducting an event, if there's an event at your place, let's say if it is if it is your birthday, or any of your family members' birthday, and you are inviting your friends and family, so and you want them to choose gifts based on your choice. So what you do is you create a gift registry, you add some products within that gift registry, and those products would be ones which you want your friends and family to choose for you as a gift. So it's a nice feature. It's a very good feature which is available again out of the box with this SFRA based storefront. So you select the size from here, and quantity. And there's another very good feature which is being very extensively used in these days of COVID, where you actually don't want to go in person to the store for buying. You just want to go there and pick up your product. So you buy online and pick up from the store. So that feature is also available here with this option out of the box with this SFRA based storefront. You do add to cart from here, and you will see a message that product is being added to the cart. And here you do the mouse over on the mini shop cart on the top right corner. You will see this product is being the part of your cart now. Now, before moving to the cart page, let me quickly show you the gift registry. So if you'll click here in the footer, you'll see the gift registry. You can create your own gift registry from here, by clicking on this create new, or you can find any gift registry. Let's say if a third person comes, or if your friend or family comes and they want to find a gift registry which you have made it public, they can find it with your first name and last name. If I click on find, I'll see the gift registry which is created here. I'll view this registry. Now let's say if someone XYZ comes from his or her account, and they will be able, because see it's marked as a public registry, so they will be able to view these products within their gift registry, and then they can choose any of these products to be given as a gift, to a person who has created this gift registry. So this is nice, cool feature. Now let's go to the checkout page. So on the checkout page, on the top left side, you will see the shipping. Now these are the shipping methods, and again this is something which is pretty configurable. You can add as more shipping methods as you want using the business manager. Then there's a shipping address. You can create multiple shipping addresses and then select where you actually want your products to be shipped to. Then on the right hand side, you see this order summary. Plus, now if you click on payment section, you will see that you are not being redirected to a different page. Instead, you are staying on the same page, but there's another section of the page is open now, which is the payment section. So for this demo, we have included two cartridges. One is credit card and one is the PayPal. You can make use of any of these cartridges, and as I said that this comes out of the box with SFRA based storefront. These cartridges are already available. You just have to make use of these cartridges, integrate them with your storefront, put your own merchant credentials, and you are good to go with these cartridges. So let's say for now I'm going to select credit card for this checkout. So once I do that, you will see that another section would be appearing at the bottom. So it's a kind of a single page checkout experience which you are seeing here. So see, the next section which has appeared is the payment is complete, shipping is complete. Now you can see the whole order summary on this single page. And again, still on this page, if you change your mind, you can change the shipping address by clicking on this edit. You can change the payment method or type which you used. And you can also see the text is being calculated. Now this is another third-party cartridge which is being configured and associated with this SFRA based storefront. That is Avalara text cartridge, which we can make use of. You click on this place order. The order will be placed. You will come on this order confirmation page, and you will see all these details of the order. So for example, your items, order numbers, order date, shipping address, billing address, the items in your cart with the complete payment details. Now from here, let's say if I go back to my account section, you will see the my account. In the order history, you will see the order which is just being placed. So if I click on view, you will see the complete orders history, like when the order was placed, what were the order items, what is the total price of the order. Plus, you remember I added few items in my wish list as well, so you can see those items in my wish list as well. Now let's say if I want to place another order, I can directly do it from here. So these are the cool features. These are pretty basic and very important features which every customer needs on their e-commerce storefront to give a very seamless and clean user experience to their shoppers. So I'm pretty much done with this first half of my demo, and these features are all available within the silver package of our SnapStart packages. And yeah, looking forward to connect with you very soon. Sean, over to you. Thank you very much.
Thanks, Asif. I'd like to transition into Royal Cyber's exclusive commerce solutions and services. As you may have noticed earlier, a major investment within our organization is research and development. And on Salesforce Commerce Cloud, we've invested heavily in building our proprietary suite of commerce tools that allow you to bolster the performance of Salesforce out of the box. Traditionally, these add-on features are enhancement features that you'd have to seek from a third-party vendor. Typically, you'd license each of these components individually and pay to have these services integrated into your Commerce Cloud solution. We've gone ahead and built our own solutions internally and bundled these with our SnapStart packages. These include features such as visual search, subscription, configure price and quote, and AI chatbots. One of the tools that's been getting quite a bit of interest with some of our product companies selling on Salesforce Commerce Cloud is visual search. And visual search eliminates the need for searching for products with text or through the Navi. And think of a scenario where you're looking for furniture. In the case of a light store, there's a light fixture that you don't know of, or a piece of furniture that you don't know. Is it a sofa? Is it a chaise? Is it a love seat? What could that be? And there's a specific pattern or color. How would you search for that on a traditional website? Now, of course, we know there's facets to filter and sort through all of the content that you have, but using a tool like visual search, you can leverage your cell phone to take a picture of a product and instantly upload it to the search engine on the commerce site and get results that are relevant to that image. So if I took a picture of this burgundy sofa, for instance, any sofas that I sold that were of a similar look and feel, similar texture, similar color, however I configure it, I can present that to the customer quite easily on the web. I'd like to pass this over to Asif, who will walk through in detail some of the other features that we've built out on Commerce Cloud.
Thank you once again, Sean. I'll quickly walk through our audience to these solutions. So, so there are three main solutions which we are focusing on as part of this demo, and two of these solutions are Royal Cyber developed solution, and one of them is provided by Salesforce Commerce Cloud. So we'll start with subscription and save, or subcom. It's a subscription and save feature which is being developed on top of Salesforce Commerce Cloud as in the form of cartridge, and we are currently in the process of uploading this cartridge on the App Exchange as well. So the idea behind this solution is that it lets customer who comes on the website and they shop on your website, on your e-commerce website, or on your Salesforce Commerce Cloud website. Let's say if there are certain items or products which they want, every month, or with certain gap of time, with some time interval. I would say, let's say in once in a week, or they want maybe twice in a week, or twice in a month, or after every quarter. So with certain time frequency, if they want some products or some items to be delivered at their place, they can subscribe those products with using those time interval, using that time frequency, and it will be a one-time subscription which they will have to make. And once they would do that, they will get those products to be delivered with that specified frequency which they will subscribe. They don't have to come again on the storefront and may have to make an order. It will just be a one-time thing which they will have to do. So that is the whole idea behind this subscription and save feature. Plus, at the same time, I mean, the question will come to your mind that, for example, if you subscribe those products and at some point of time after 6 months, you don't want to continue with those products. So that is also something which has been developed and managed, and you can do it. You can log into your storefront. In your My Account, you will see My Subscription section, and over there you can cancel your subscription. Plus, on the top of that, for example, if you are out for vacations for 2 months and you don't want that product to be delivered during that time, you can also pause your subscription for certain duration and then again resume that subscription. So these are pretty cool features which are being developed as part of this whole solution, which is subscribe and save. Okay, so now I'll quickly walk you through the how it looks at the storefront side. So this is again a business manager tool, administration console tool for Salesforce Commerce Cloud. Here, what we have done, we have created one custom link which is called product subscription. And once you'll click on this product subscribe, you will be landed on this page. Here, you are going to see all those products which are the part of your catalog for that particular storefront or particular site. You can have those products eligible or make them as a subscribable product. So there are two ways basically. One way is to, when you are uploading your catalog in the CSV itself, you can in the CSV itself you can specify in a column, in a separate column, that this product is a subscribable product or is eligible for the subscription. Or you can come into the business manager and make any of these products as a subscribable product just by selecting yes from here. Now let's say if you have, I already have made a couple of products, eligible for the subscription. So let's say this is the product, the white dress shirt. Once you make this product as a subscribable product, you come on the storefront and look for that product. You go in that dress shirts, and here you will see this product is appearing, the white dress shirt. Now if I go to the product page, you will see the subscription details appearing as part of the product page. You see this delivery option. So this is basically the subscription feature, and it brings these details on the page. So now whether you want a one-time delivery or you want a regular subscription, let's say if I click a regular delivery, now you can specify the frequency of what is the frequency of this subscription, like when exactly do you want this product to be delivered to your place. So let's say if I say every 3 weeks. Okay, so this is done and I'll click add to cart. Okay, so I'll have to select the size, and once I do that, I'll be able to add to cart. So now this product is available in your subscription, but this would be available once you are done with this order. So let's say I'll go back and do the checkout. And as I said that, this frequency, at any time you want to change this, you can change this frequency of this product. So payment, and let's say payment, I would go with the card. Let's say I'll go with credit card. And Asif. Yep, I'll select this one. Name on card, it's okay. So I'll go on with these details and I'll place an order. And I'll just review this summary and I'll go ahead and place an order. So once I'll place an order, then you will see that this product, now this order has been placed. And now let's say, and you will see in the order summary that this product you have subscribed it for every 3 weeks. So now, for example, if I come here on the home page, or even here from my account, if I go to my account, I will see there's a custom option which we have developed, and it says my subscriptions. So when I click on my subscriptions, I will see that this product is now available as part of my subscription, and it's of every 3 weeks, and it's an active subscription. Now anytime I want to cancel this subscription, I can do that. Plus, anytime if I want to update this subscription with a different frequency, with a different time interval, I can do that as well from here. I want to suspend this subscription for some time. As I said that, I want to pause this subscription for some time. For let's say 2 months, I'm on vacations. I can do that by clicking on the suspend button. Plus, I can also see the transactions which are already being done for this particular product. The past transactions, I can also see that as well. Once I click on this, you will see that in the past this product has been added, as a different subscription option, and it's a new. And plus, you in the view transaction, you would also see that the subscription which has already been processed. So let's say this was the subscription which was processed on November 13th as part of the customer to get this product as a which he or she subscribed at the time of subscription. So this is really a cool feature. So from the business manager also, as I've shown you, that you can control it. You can make this product as a subscribable product, and plus from here, from my account also, you can control this subscription completely. All right, so this was one of the solutions. Now let's talk about another solution. Now another solution is this chatbot solution. Now for this chatbot, what we have done, this is a completely Salesforce Einstein chatbot developed on top of Salesforce Commerce Cloud with some added features. And to have this Einstein chatbot as part of your storefront, you need to have a Salesforce Service Cloud license. Salesforce service this Einstein chatbot is part of Salesforce Service Cloud, and you can have this running on Salesforce Commerce Cloud storefront. Apart from this chatbot, we also have one open source chatbot. Now, let's say if you don't want to buy Salesforce Service Cloud license, we can still give you similar kind of chatbot with similar features, which I'll be walking you through as part of this demo. You can have those features, or you can have this chatbot in a completely open source way. It would be a completely open source chatbot, which would be an RC solution, and that is something which is also developed on top of Salesforce Commerce Cloud as well. But for this demo, I'll just be walking you through to this chatbot. All right, so let's say, for example, let me connect using my details. So this is the first screen. Once I click on this chatbot icon, I'll be connected with the chatbot using my details. All right, now this chatbot would be appearing as with some predefined menus. Now let's say if I want to find an order status for my order. So what I'll do, I'll just click on order status, and I will actually be copying one order ID from here. Write the order ID, enter the billing code, and it will get the order status for me. Now the idea behind, you can see that the order status is returned. Now the idea behind this chatbot is that it actually offloads a lot of work from your actual service agents or live agents. Most of your queries are being addressed by this chatbot. Now, what we have understood from our experience or past experience is most of the queries which comes to the live agent are related to order status or exchange return or order issues. Most of the things are related to order, and this chatbot is fully capable of handling those queries. Plus you can also add some more feature to this chatbot, which we are actually doing. Like for example, it can also look for a product for you. It can also work as a product finder. It can also help you out in resetting your passwords. It can also help you out in if you're looking for any promotions or products which are on sale. So these are all the features which we are trying to add, and we are trying to have add as more features as we can, which are actually being handled by a live agent, and we are trying to incorporate those queries as part of the chatbot. So this is a chatbot solution, Einstein chatbot solution, and similar solution is available, or is being developed by Royal Cyber on open source framework using open source technologies. And for that, as I said, that you don't need to buy Salesforce Service Cloud licensing. It can be incorporated on your Salesforce Commerce Cloud storefront or any other e-commerce platform which you have. That open source chatbot can run on any of the any of the storefronts which you have. All right, so that is related to the chatbot. Now there's another third solution which we have developed as part of Royal Cyber Solutions, and that solution is a product 360-degree view. So what happens is, and this is again a custom cartridge which we have developed on top of Salesforce Commerce Cloud. So on product page, you normally see the products appearing as I shown you as part of my first half of this demo. So let's say if I look for any product, you will see that you can see multiple images of this product. But let's say if you want to see a 360-degree view of this product, then this is the solution which we have developed. So you see this product, you click on this 360 view, and you will see that this is, this will give you a 360 view of this product. Similarly, I mean, we have applied this on multiple products to show you as part of this demo. And this is completely, controllable through your mouse using these buttons. And you will see the rotation is very clean, very smooth. You can see each and everything, of the from top, from left to right and right to left. And plus, we are also adding one more feature to it, which is top to bottom. So this is also one of the solutions which we are, uploading on the Salesforce App Exchange as part of these Royal Cyber Solutions cartridges. All right, guys, I think I'm done, and we'll take your questions at the end. Sean, it's over to you again. Thank you so much.
Great demo, Asif. Thanks very much. I'd like to turn it over to Eden Vora from Salesforce.
Hi, nice to meet everybody today. My name is Idan Devora. I'm the Regional Vice President Sales for the Salesforce Commerce Cloud team. Today we'll be talking through our Salesforce B2C Commerce overview. First off, I wanted to just thank everybody for their time, especially during these unprecedented times for all of us. But together we can have a role in supporting each other on our path forward. And I thank you all during your busy schedules, and especially hope you're all doing well and staying healthy. And thank you for watching what it is that we'll walk you through. So first and foremost, I wanted to share with you our values among our stakeholders. It's really broken down within our 4 tenets. Our trust, which is our number one core value. Our customers trust our technology and infrastructure to perform, to be available, and to be secure. And we build the security into everything that we do. Then also our customer success, where we've built a company based on our customer success with the people, the programs, and focus on making every customer successful. And the innovation. As a technology company, we value constant innovation to advance our industry and company, and we offer multiple releases a year to constantly innovate on that for you. And the equality, where we value the equality of every individual at our company and in our community. Equality is our core tenet of how we run our business, and we believe that equality and diversity makes us a better company. So a little bit about our Salesforce Customer 360. The Customer 360 really started as the world's #1 CRM that helps you put your customers at the center of everything you do. Now, our heritage is in Salesforce, is at sales and service, but we've designed and started to build around our digital enterprise, covering marketing, commerce, bots, integrations. So just to kind of get you a complete end-to-end overview of the Customer 360 that we provide. A little bit of the continuous innovation, just want to walk you through real quick about our Salesforce Commerce Cloud platform. We can get into more details at a later time, but a little bit about our ability is that we execute on a complete end-to-end scale. You can go headless if you wanted to. You can utilize our CMS platform. We have a fantastic Salesforce order management solution that we released earlier in the year, and our Einstein innovation across all our applications that we provide. And as far as the world's most trusted commerce platform, it's really about how we give future-proof platform and the peace of mind to focus the customer, not on your technology. And so the Commerce Cloud platform is an elastic environment that provides a secure, scalable, and world-class operating environment. And with that, some of our customers choose Salesforce Commerce Cloud to grow their business for the long term. In the fiscal 2020, from Feb 2019 to Jan 2020, we powered $40 billion in gross merchandise value globally across our customers on our commerce platform. Our commerce platform powers retail transactions, B2B transactions, portal transactions, and has an expansive partner app ecosystem to go faster. And a little bit about our B2C pricing model. We structure it as a starter SKU, a growth SKU, or a plus SKU. So a lot of that is going to be relative to your particular requirements and what you're trying to reach. At the end of the day, it is all driven through a GMV metric, which we can get into at a later time. Now, a little bit about our customer success. We provide you with a customer success manager, which is our commitment to help you succeed with Salesforce. They work with your executive decision makers to build Salesforce commitments, success methodologies, and socialize on business industries and implementations. And so they start with you from the beginning of the decision to move forward with Salesforce all the way to post-go live. And a little bit more about that is their job is really connected with different pieces of the Commerce Cloud business. They align with others in the community to help you move faster and everything you want to do that has been done before in our community. And with that being said, given I'm short on time today, I wanted to thank you all for the opportunity to present to you a little bit about Salesforce. Definitely reach out to the team over at Royal Cyber to ask more questions about how we can help you. And lastly, don't forget to go to Dreamforce 2U to see how you can learn more details about what we have next for you. Thank you.